guys, Jennifer Guys 13, and today's video is going to be a super duper exciting video because today's video is going to be a giveaway, and I just love giving back to you guys because you guys are literally my internet family. You guys are my second family. Like, there's my family and then there's my internet family. And yes, guys, this is an international giveaway, so wherever you are in the world, you're able to participate in this giveaway. Let's get on with the giveaway. Okay. So you're gonna be winning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amazing gifts. Okay, so first gift that you're gonna be winning is you're gonna be winning a La Roche-Posay Laboratory Dermatologique Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Tinted 50 Mineral Ultra lightweight sunscreen fluid, 100% mineral UV filter system, matte finish, universal tint, advanced protection, cell OX shield, UVA, UVB plus antioxidant, water resistant. This is that bougie SPF sunscreen, guys. Okay. And what I really love about it is because I figured if I'm gonna be giving away a tinted moisturizer is like a foundation, but that's like really healthy for your skin. It says right here that it's a universal tint, so that is what I really love about this as well, because I didn't want someone to win a foundation that's not their skin tone, you know? So I found this as the perfect giveaway gift. Second giveaway gift, you're gonna be winning not one but 2 bracelets. You're gonna be winning 2 bracelets, guys. You're gonna be winning these 2 bracelets, guys. Look at how beautiful each bracelet looks like. They do stretch, and I love that they're in the color red because the giveaway is actually gonna end on February 1st of 2022, the very first day of February. When you win your beautiful bracelets, you're gonna be in the month of February, and February is Valentine's Day month. And you know, on February's people wear red and pink, and it comes in this beautiful pink pouch. Next giveaway gift, you're not just gonna be winning 1 sticker, you're gonna be winning 2 stickers. And I love these stickers because these are the famous Fisco water bottle stickers. So you guys remember when the famous hydro flask became a trend? These are the type of stickers that you put on your hydro flask. You don't need to have a hydro flask to put these stickers anywhere. You can literally put these stickers anywhere you want. So you're gonna be getting a Happy Vibes bracelet sticker. So I thought it would be so cute if I gave you guys a bracelet sticker, since I am gonna be giving you guys 2 bracelets. And it's literally 2 bracelets right here. So you see it's like you get 2 bracelets, and then you get a sticker with 2 bracelets.
And I love what it says, Happy Vibes, because you know, you gotta keep it always happy, you gotta be peaceful, you gotta be joyful, you gotta be the life of the party. Like when you enter a building and people see you, they're like, okay, so we're gonna be having a good time because she's in here. You know, it's like, be that person that when people see you, like everybody is like, you know, she's here! Like that person that people could come up to and they could trust you. Be that like really good friend, you know what I mean? We just love the happy vibes, guys, because like a life without happy vibes is not a happy life, and we want a happy life, you know? We were born to be happy.
And finally, the last but not least giveaway gift that you're gonna be winning is you're gonna be winning this adorable sticker. Look at these purple flowers. And like I was saying, guys, you can literally put these stickers anywhere you want, on a notebook, on your car, in your like the back of your ID, your phone case, anywhere you want. Because yeah, they're so cute, guys.
I just wanted to add a flower sticker because flowers are a beautiful God-given gift to us. Like, you know how beautiful your house looks when you decorate it with flowers, when you go to like a florist shop and your garden, you have like a garden decorated with flowers. Like flowers are literally a gift from God to nature for us to just beautify everything, because everything in your house when you add a flower. It's just so cute. Like, you literally put a flower in a bathroom and it makes your bathroom look 10 times cuter, guys. Like, flowers are just cute like that. I'm just like, wow, God literally made the earth so beautiful.
Okay, so now we've made it to the giveaway rules part of the video, and I have them written out. So if you're looking at me and you're like, what is she reading? It's because I wrote out the giveaway gift rules. Okay, so rules for the giveaway. You must include in your comment your email address, because if you don't, I won't be able to contact you if you win. So please, 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 in one comment down below, I'm gonna need you to write down everything that I'm asking you and the giveaway rules that I'm saying right now. Number 2, be subscribed to me and hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button to enable the post notifications to my channel, so that way you're on top of my uploads and get notified when I upload the video of me choosing which one of you win. In your comment, including your email address, I'd like for you to share with us your favorite Bible verse. For example, a Bible verse could be 2 Timothy 4:2 says, preach the word, be ready in season and out of season, reprove, rebuke, and exhort with complete patience and teachings.
So I love to include this giveaway rule every time that I do a giveaway, because I just find it like a beautiful way to share the word of God. Because when people are entering the giveaway and then they're going through the comments to see other people's comments, to kind of see like how to participate, you know what I mean? Because when you go to the comment section to write your giveaway entry, and then, you know, like when you're watching a YouTube video, sometimes I'll be reading people's comments, you know, like I'm watching the YouTube video, like I'm reading what people have to comment on the other person's video. So, and it's just a nice way to spread the gospel, because let's say right now you're writing your comment and then you're seeing everybody else's comment, and then you're just reading a whole bunch of Bible verses. It's a beautiful, positive way to spread the gospel in a loving community.
And in your same comment where you're writing your email address and your favorite Bible verse, I would also like for you to write what country you are from and your favorite thing about it, whether it's the attractions or a nature area. Talk about why you love your home. The giveaway will end exactly on February 1st of 2022. So please be on top of your email on February 1st of 2022 and the uploads that I post on my channel, because that is when I will be announcing the giveaway winner. And you will have exactly 36 hours until I pick the next giveaway winner to respond to my email, because if you don't respond in the first 36 hours, I will sadly have to pick another giveaway winner. And I'm asking for your email address because that is the only way I can privately contact you in a safe way, so that way you're able to send me your home address, so that way I'm able to send you your giveaway gift directly to your house. This is my email address. If somebody else emails you telling you you are the winner, do not respond to them. This is the only email address I will be contacting you from, okay? If somebody emails you telling you you are the giveaway winner, do not give them your information. So we've made it to the end of this video, my Mermainicorn, and I'll see you very, very soon if God permits. Bye!